In collaboration with the Cree communities, Hydro-Quebec has been conducting environmental follow-ups on the East Main Sarcelle-Rupert complex since 2007. In the Rupert and Nemiscau rivers, downstream of the diversion bays, a team in charge of collecting water samples visits 23 sample stations by helicopter. The samples are then sent to a laboratory for analysis to monitor changes in color, turbidity, and suspended solids in these rivers.
The Cree people have a lot of concerns about the water quality of the Rupert River since the Hydro-Quebec diversion and even before. The water quality monitoring program is so important to the Cree people because historically, not only traditionally, but culturally, it's been such an important element.
Les objectifs du suivi de la qualité de l'eau, c'est de voir les différences de paramètres de avant et après la dérivation partielle de la Rupert. La zone à l'étude se situe dans le secteur de Waskaganish. Il y a le secteur de Nemiscau, vieux Nemiscau, puis le secteur de Mistassini. Le suivi s'effectue sur 4 campagnes, printemps, été, automne, hiver.
When we're doing our water quality monitoring, we take samples from different stations in order to see what the turbidity, water color, and the suspended solids are in the water.
Il y a 23 stations d'échantillonnage réparties entre le PK 0 et le PK 314 de la rivière Rupert, puis sur la rivière Nemiscau.
We do all of our sampling by helicopter. At each site, we land on the water. We take the depth measurement, the temperature, and we take a water sample. When we collect a sample, we try to lower our water sampling down the entire water column.
L'hélicoptère survole un point GPS précis qui est toujours le même de campagne en campagne.
Part of the security measures and the safety measures that we use when we're doing our sampling is that we always have a life vest, a harness that harnesses us into the helicopter so that when we are opening the doors, we're secure and we're safe, as well as good communication between the pilot and each other. Once we've collected our water sample, we try to get them sent to the lab each day. They're only good for about 48 hours. We package them into coolers, make sure that they're ice packed, tightly closed and secure. We ship them down to Montreal and then the lab takes care of the rest.
Right now we are at the water treatment plant in Waskaganish. The water comes from the river. We test the water, turbidity and color. The samples we have to send to the lab. I like my job because I know how to analyze the water.
The interesting thing about being part of the water quality sampling monitoring is that the quality of water is so important to a lot of the people around here. It makes you feel like you're doing something important. I really love my job. It's always exciting and you get to work and meet with different and creative and interesting people. And I really like, as a Cree myself, working on behalf of the Cree people and meeting with them.